could, I've only got the default settings on SSB at the moment, but I could turn the audio up a little bit if you wanted me to, over.
Now Paul, you're absolutely fine as you are right now, absolutely fine. Yeah, if you want to know what you sound like, I'll just do a quick clip and I'll send it over to you. We'll put it on the Facebook. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, John, yeah, 20BON from M1FIB. Yeah, what we say, John? Okay, no problem. Well, I've got the amplifier, I do about 10 amps at the moment, but I've only got the microphone on 50, so I'm not really driving my carrier too hard, but I've left the setting up a bit higher, but no, it's just sort of ticking over at the moment, John, really, just sort of ticking over, so I'm going to sort of keep it like this for the time being, but it's all sort of default on the radio, but I have had it on 100 on here, and I've sort of done about 20 amps, but it's really driving the carrier hard, but yeah, okay, John, that'd be nice, yeah, because I've just recently bought a